Today we'll be talking about the quote, delete, and restore utility. In Macola, users often have a need to purge or remove old quotes in the system. Currently, there is not a process in Macola to mass delete quotes. The Attivo Group has solved this problem. In searching for quotes to delete, there are two ways to filter the data. One is by date, the other is by last number of months. In this case, we have to go a little bit further back. We're going to go back 100 months to find some old quotes. As you can see, I have several in the system to choose from. I'm going to remove the top 3 quotes, 18, 22, and 24. Success. It's possible I just made a mistake with those. So I'm going to go back into our system and choose Quote Restore. And you can see all the old quotes that we've deleted in the past, including the 3 that we just did, 18, 22, and 24. I'm going to put back Quote 22 in the system. Okay, and to validate that, I can either go into Macola to find it, or I can go back into the Quote Delete system. Click refresh, and it should see Quote 22, and there it is. There are many benefits to using the Attivo Group's Quote Delete Restore utility. Easier lookup capability throughout the system, fewer quotes to maintain, significantly faster report and query generation, and MRP processing